What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add a different phone number to your PayPal account, or even add a second phone number to your PayPal account. Both of these are possible using this method. So I'm on my mobile phone, but it's going to be a similar process if you're on desktop as well. You just open up your PayPal application, then you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner. Now, bear with me as I'm going to have to block out a decent amount of personal information, including me going into the personal info tab, which is what you're going to want to do in order to change your phone number. It's the first one at the top, actually second one at the top right below the invite friends button, but first one for the settings. Like I said, it looks kind of weird because it's blocked out right now, but basically what you're going to be seeing is your name, your phone number, your email address, and I think one more other personal thing, but all that matters is that you see your phone number here, and then you change your active phone number. Just hit on your active phone number, and then you'll be able to change it or add a new one. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, be sure to drop a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da